Hey, how's it going? This is Cesar Rodriguez, and what I want to do in the next couple minutes is actually show you a way that you can actually never have to worry about getting speeding tickets again, never have to worry about your insurance rates going up, and to know that if you ever do get pulled over, you don't have to worry about going to court, wasting time, energy, money, and watching the points go up on your license and you having to pay all kinds of money. What am I talking about? Well, I've actually got a program called Prepaid Legal Services. And one of the major areas of benefit is if you ever get any speeding tickets anywhere in the country on an unlimited basis, they will go to court for you, represent you, and you will never have to pay an attorney's fees for as long as you live for those speeding tickets. Now, you have to be properly licensed, and of course, don't steal the car or anything like that. It's got to be properly licensed and registered. But if you ever do happen to get one of these pesky little tickets, I'll show you a step-by-step. I'm actually going to do like a chronological, like day in the life, the entire process front to back. Now, I'm really not worried about this because on August 5th, 2009, I actually need to be in court. Well, that's what the speeding ticket says. Obviously, I'm not going to be there because with this service, all I'm going to do is pick up the phone like I already have, and the step number one is to have a prepaid legal membership. Duh, that's the obvious one. Step number two on how to actually get that ticket resolved is anytime you get a moving traffic violation, all you have to do is fax the ticket with a copy of your driver's license to the law firm. Now, first thing you do is dial the 1-800 number, call the law firm. Now, I've already done that. I've already faxed over the ticket. Then what they're going to do is they're actually going to send you in a little mail from the law firm. Now, keep in mind, these guys have got attorneys in all 50 states and in Canada. Everywhere you go, I've gotten 10 tickets in the past 8 years, 10 moving traffic violations. I don't even know what the inside of a courtroom costs, looks like. I don't know any of the process, but what I do know is that I have a perfectly clean driver's license with no points, all right, and the best insurance rates you can get. Then they're going to send you the referral information saying, hey, they're going to have an attorney no matter what podunk town that you're in. They're going to have an attorney in that area go to court for you and represent you. This is actually the law firm, the attorney that's actually going to be representing me here in Conway, South Carolina, and I got a nice little letter from them basically giving me the number for my referral attorney. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to attempt to call them live right now and let you hear the conversation. So hopefully I'm not on hold forever or something crazy like that. Let's see if I can put you on speakerphone.
Robert Richardson's office.
Hey, how are you doing, man?
I'm good. How are you?
Great, great. Listen, I actually got a moving traffic violation, and I was referred to your law firm, so you guys can go ahead and assist me with that.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Cesar Rodriguez.
Okay, all right, hold just a moment.
Thank you. This is real.
Okay, all right, this is what Mr. Richardson said that he would recommend that you do. Prepaid Legal has referred your case to us. Okay, the 44 and a 35, we can't do any better than that as far as the speed goes. The only thing Mr. Richardson can do is request a jury trial. It will not go to trial. He'll just try to work it out with the prosecutor's office.
Okay.
And try to get you a non-moving violation, like improper equipment.
Love that.
But the only way he can do that is to request a jury trial. And it's no guarantee that he can get it even then.
Sure.
But he wanted me to just tell you that. You can either pay it off as it is. Again, we can't do any better as far as the speed goes. He can request a jury trial and try to get improper equipment or something along those lines. But that's no guarantee.
Sure, that's no problem.
He would still do that for the $150 prepaid legal fee that they're going to pay him.
Yeah, no problem. So, yeah, let's go ahead and take it to trial.
Okay. All right. Mark, let me make a note here. Hold just a moment.
All right.
Okay, and then Cesar, let me just make sure we have your correct mailing address. Is it the 4008 Chandler Drive?
Yes, ma'am.
And it's Wilmington?
And I'll let you know where I live. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is the correct number to get in touch with you, is it 91027?
Yes, it is.
Okay. All right, very good. Then we will request a jury trial and mail a copy of that letter to you. You'll get it in the mail. Now, what will happen, the North Myrtle Beach Municipal Court, they usually pull their cases every 2 to 3 months. So it might be anywhere from 6 weeks right on that you will receive notice from them also that your case has been pulled for roster call.
Okay. Now I don't.
When that happens, they'll have a date on there.
Okay.
You don't have to go to court. Mr. Richardson will be meeting with the prosecutor at that time. That's whenever he will try to get it worked out.
Okay.
Okay.
Now,
if you have any questions, give us a call back, or you can ask me now.
Okay, yeah, I do have one question. I've actually gotten pulled over 9 times in the past 8 years. This is actually the 10th. Now, I have a clean record because every single time you guys have gone to court for me and represented me and taken care of that. So that's not going to be an issue, is it?
Well, no, that won't be an issue. But do you know, are you on an insurance policy by yourself?
Yeah, but I have no tickets. Every single time prepaid legal attorneys have gotten reduced to improper equipment. That's why I've got tons of confidence in the trial thing.
Okay. All right. Well, as far as I know, there's not going to be any problem.
Okay.
I mean, if Ms. Richardson can't get improper equipment, then you're going to have a 44 and a 35 on your driving record in North Carolina, but that won't be any driver's license points, but it's going to be there for your insurance company to see.
Yeah, well, I'm sure he'll be able to get that squared away. I think this is my second time even using him, and I think he's taken care of the last one too.
Okay.
I think I rolled past a stop sign once upon a time, and here in Myrtle Beach as well, and I know that he got that one squared away, so I know he's good.
Okay.
All right, so
we will go ahead and do this, and just be in touch with you at a later date.
Awesome. Thank you very much, ma'am.
You're welcome. Thank you for calling.
Bye. I'm not worried. These guys know what they're doing. Let the professionals do what the professionals do. And matter of fact, I actually have got every single time. This was one where I got a car accident too fast for conditions, and this letter is to inform you that I appeared on your behalf October 10th, 2008, and I was able to get that dropped to improper equipment. So that was one speeding ticket that was a car accident that I got into. It was my fault. I just crashed for myself. So this was actually another one that I had, too fast for conditions. This was a different date. That was October. This one was another one. They got this one voluntarily dismissed. Again, great attorneys. This was another one here. This one was a little bit faster. I'm not quite sure. I got it doing 65 and something. I don't know. Maybe it was a 50 or whatever. But this is the actual ticket. I got it from a trooper. And, those guys don't play. But, of course, on this situation as well, I had an attorney from Wilmington show up, and this letter serves as a written confirmation of the discussion we had by telephone. Speeding was voluntarily dismissed by the Brunswick County Assistant District Attorney. So, real life, I'll keep you posted on the results of that, but I just want to let you know, guys, honestly, you can get this service, for pennies on the dollar for a small monthly fee. You just pay, just depending on what plan you get, you can pay around $20-30 a month, and every single time that you ever get a ticket, you're going to know that it's taken care of. That's some pretty awesome confidence, because if I'd gotten 9 tickets in 8 years, I probably wouldn't even be driving right now. One ticket alone would have increased my insurance rates to more than what it costs for this entire membership to have. So really, it offsets itself. If you get about a ticket a year, you're crazy not to have it. Not to mention all of the other wonderful benefits that you have, like the ability to pick up the phone, talk to an attorney, ask them anything under the sun, personal business, whatever. They go to court for you on speeding tickets, write contracts, and they'll actually review contracts and documents for you, write letters on your behalf, go to court for you if you're ever sued or audited. I mean, all of that is all taken care of. And they also have the #1 most comprehensive identity theft protection program. So realistically, if you too want to go ahead and be protected and never have to worry about speeding tickets again, get at me, give me a call, contact your representative in your area. Again, my name is Cesar Rodriguez, and I hope you enjoyed it. Take care, and God bless.